welcome to our channel. In the previous video I have been told about how to know your date of joining. Like some of the candidates have received their date of joining mails, and while some of the candidates haven't got their date of joining, even though the both of the candidates have received their offer letter at the same time, like August 1st or like the August 5th itself. Like there is a confusion among the candidates, like why there is a delay about their date of joining and everything, and I have been explained about that completely in the previous video. And also, like in the previous video I have been told that there is a trick in order to know your date of joining, and also like to know whether your background verification status is approved or not, like is it under review, like everything. So in this video I'll be telling that particular trick in order to know your background verification, like all of your documents was verified or not. Like with the help of this we can know your like the date of joining, when can we expect your date of joining and everything. So like you can follow up this process in this video. I'll be explaining the complete process from the starting to the end, so you may not miss any of the step in order to not to like do any of the mistakes. So without any delay, let's see the process how to know your date of joining. So you can follow these steps, like the each and every step by step, in order to get your date of joining or like the background verification status successfully. So, and I would mention a note is like this is not any of the official news from the Cognizant itself. This is just in order to know your application status, that's it. So let's see this process. So initially this process is only applicable for the candidates who have been received their offer letter, successfully registered your mail ID within the one Cognizant, and also completed your pre-joining formalities and also the background verification document submission too. So this first step is like initially go to your like the one Cognizant portal, and you need to be logged into the one Cognizant portal. So you can see here, like here we can see, so one of the candidate, like here the status of is like the acceptance of the offer letter is completed, and also like the BGV process is also completed, and next is like the pre-joining formalities is also like the completed itself. And so after you have been successfully logged into is, so you can like click the right click at any of the web page. So you will be having multiple options after you have been right click. So upon that you can like go down and find the inspect button. So here you can see the inspect button. So upon that inspect button you can like click the inspect, and after successfully clicking the inspect, so you will be getting redirected to the backend, like the inspect of like the everything of the code. So at this, so you need to be now go into the like the here you can see the filters, like the elements, console, source, network. So here you need to be click on the networks tab, and you have been successfully clicking these networks tab. So like this interface will be showing for you. So after you have been successfully like clicking this networks tab, so here you need to be like filter one of the option, that is the, so you need to be select this fetch XHR. So after clicking it, like so here you will be having some of the information. So here you can see, after successfully applying this filter you need to wait for some period of time, so it will load everything. And in the meantime, like even if there was anything not loaded here, so at this point of step you can like come to this web page one Cognizant, and you can like the refresh the page with the help of F5, or like the manually refresh the page itself. So after that you follow the same process. So then after you can see like these type of multiple parameters within these, and next after getting these multiple parameters, so here you can find the multiple. So here we can like the select is like the, here you can see bin progress bar. So this bin progress bar we need to be clicked. So at this we will be getting our like the status of this BGV. So after clicking these bin progress bar, so you can find here, go to the like the preview. So here initially it will be default like the preview. So here you can see like the status or like the information of your application. So initially you can see here it is like the application acceptance. So this is like the you have been successfully applied or like they accepted the offer letter. And next one is like the congratulations for accepting the offer. So this may resemble that you have been successfully accepted the offer letter. And next one is like you can see here multiple messages. And next one is like the background verification. So here you can see the background verification. And next one is like this is the main message we can know, like here you can see background verification good to go for onboarding. The candidates here you can see who have successfully completed all of these three parameters, so their status here it is showing is like background verification good to go for onboarding. So these messages resemble that your background verification was successfully completed, and like you may expect your like the date of joining, or you may have got your date of joining, or you may expect your date of joining sooner itself. And next one is like this is the status of the candidate in which whose one Cognizant portal. The status here it is like 3 of them was like completed itself. And now for the candidates whose like the status here it may be like showing as the pending or like the in progress. So for those candidates it is showing like the another message. So you can also find those. So with the help of this you can know whether your background verification was completed or not with the help of this process. For the candidates like whose status is showing like in progress or like the pending itself, like their status here you can see is like their status it is showing is like the data sent for the approval. So if your status is showing for the data sent for the approval, so that may resemble that you have been successfully uploaded your BGV documents, and like your BGV verification is not completed itself, like it is under process. Like after you have been uploading your documents, so the Cognizant team will be considering your documents and they will be verifying your documents. So after successfully completion of your documents itself, so here the status will be showing you as like the completed. So in order to get these status, so you need to be wait some period of time after you have been successfully uploading your document itself. So like there is no need to be worried. So after they have been successfully verified your documents, your status will be showing like the same, like the background verification is good to go for the onboarding. So this is the video about how to check your like the status within the backend with the help of inspect. So like comment down what status is showing for you, and like if you have any of the doubts do comment down guys. So that's all for this video. Thank you.